Wow. Snack time.
Uh-oh. Kids are not going to be happy about that.
Well, this might be a good thing for the compost pile, huh?
You know it.
All right. Well, I'm cutting up the apples, and you're cutting up the pineapple. Now what?
Well, we try to save as much as we can to put in the compost bin, which is this nifty little blue container. It just makes it easy for Chris to take it back down in the shop. But most things that we save are vegetables, things making salad, the kids' snacks, which we're doing now when we just came in from, peelings. And yeah, we don't put any meat products, or it's just personal preference, I think. I think it's probably best not to. But,
Dave doesn't like the peel on the apple, so...
Yes, well, we have to be sensitive to that.
He says he doesn't want the skin. So you're just kind of using carrots and mostly vegetable stuff?
Mostly vegetables, eggshells, coffee grinds. Yeah, those things are great.
Now, what kind of stuff is best? Like, gives it the most nutrients in my home compost pile? Like, once I really start to save eggshells.
The eggshells are great,
and coffee
grinds are wonderful too. But some things really break down very quickly, like lettuce, things like that. But still, it's great, better than throwing it away.
Yeah.
It's really going back into being used and recycling. That's the key. But I'd stay away from any meat product, mostly.
I think a lot of people may think that a home compost pile is hard to do.
Oh, no, it's really easy.
It's really easy.
Yeah, it's
Let's
great.
give this stuff to Chris. See if he can do something with it.
Yeah.
Even the top can go?
Sure. Yeah, it all biodegradable. There you go, guys.
What do you think? Let's go put this in the pile.
Let's do it right now.
So everything we're doing in our kitchen, it's just not garbage.
Right, absolutely.
It's more like kitchen waste.
Kitchen waste, food waste.
And it's useful.
And it's very useful. It is a commodity.
So add this to our recipe, huh?
Absolutely. Put it right in your leaf, grass clippings, and then we just turn it right under. Absolutely.
Mix it up.
Mix it up and let it sit. Time is the best element that anyone could possibly make.
Now, in my own home compost, because this is one I would have in my backyard, yours sits for 6 months. How long should mine sit?
The same.
Okay.
Yeah, at least. The longer it sits around, the better off it's going to be.
Good.
Yeah.
And so what things shouldn't we put in again?
I don't like using any kind of meat products or bones.
Okay.
Not that it won't compost, but it attracts animals.
Yeah.
So we've decided not to do that, and as we know, we shouldn't be eating that much meat product anyway.
Yeah, that's true.
More fruits and vegetables.
So save some of your clippings in your kitchen too. Get out there and get recycling.